Hi guys, so today in this video we are going to discuss the question how to reverse a string using stack. So first let's understand this question. Suppose here the given string is orange, ORANGE, and the answer which we want after reverse is EGNARO. So you can see that the answer which we are getting is in the reverse order. So now how to use stack to solve this question. So first let's understand this. First of all, we need an empty stack. So we create an empty stack, and what we are going to do is we are going to push each character of the given string one by one in this empty stack. For that we will run a for loop for the size of the string, and we will push this string character one by one in the stack. First, the first character is O, so we push the character O into the given stack, and then we push R. Similarly, we push A, and then N, then G, and then E. As you can see, the last character of the given string is at the top of the stack. So now what we are going to do to reverse the string, we will create an empty string, and we will add the top character of the stack to that empty string, and then we will pop the character. So here we created an empty string S, and what we are doing is we are taking the first top character of the stack and we are adding it to the empty string, and we will repeat the process until our stack get empty. For this, the code we are using is this: we are using a while loop, and the condition for the while loop is we are going to run this loop until our stack get empty. And what we are doing is we are taking the top character of this stack and we are adding it to the empty stack which we have empty string which we have taken S, and then we are popping that top character. So similarly, now after popping the first character and adding it to the empty string, the top character is G. So we repeat the process and we add G to the new string which is E, and similarly then after popping G, our next character top character is N, and we again add N to the string and then pop the top character. After repeating this process, we will reach that the last character which is O, and after adding this character we will pop this, and we can see that our stack get empty, and this is the situation where we have to stop the loop. And now you can see that the string which is given is ORANGE, and the output string which we are getting is EGNARO, which is the reverse of the given string. So this way we can use stack to reverse the given string. So I hope you understand the solution of this question. So now let's move to the code section of this problem. So now let's discuss the code part. Here the first thing which we are going to need is one string. So let's define a string, say str ORANGE. We are using the same example. The second thing which we required is an empty stack. So let's create an STL stack of char type. Let's name it as SC. So we have created a char type stack because we are going to push the character of the given string. Now the third thing which we required is an empty string. So let's create an empty string, say S. Now what we are going to perform is we are going to insert each character of the given string into the stack which we have created. For this I'm going to run a for loop, and to get the size of the string we are using a function size. So now what we are going to do is we are going to push the character of the string into the stack. For this I'm going to use the property sc.push, and the string first character is stri. So this way we push all the character into the stack. Now what we are going to do is we are going to pop the character of the top and add it to the empty string one by one. For this we are going to run a while loop to perform this task repeatedly. So first we create a while loop. Inside the condition we define that we are going to run this loop until our stack get empty. For this, so sc dot we are using an empty function, and inside the body what we are going to do is first of all we are going to add the top character into the empty string. So what we are doing is we are taking the top character sc dot top, and then we are adding it to the empty string, and then we are popping the top character. So when this loop will end, we will get our output, our reverse string, which will be s. So now let's save the program and run it. Okay, now as you can see we get our output, the reverse string. So I hope you understand the code. Thank you for watching.